everybody. I have a new read aloud for you. It's called If Your Dreams Take Off and Fly. The reason why I picked this book today is because, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a butterfly right here. And all through the book, a butterfly flies through as if it is a child's dream. And the butterfly flies all around the world, and you're going to see lots of different places and lots of different animals. The reason why I like the butterfly is because our butterflies have taken off and flown. They all came out of chrysalis form and they flew away this weekend. Check out the website for pictures of your butterflies. Let's see what this butterfly does. If your dreams take off and fly. Here's our title page. I see some hippos and our butterfly. When the night is very dark and the moon is shining high, let your dreams take to the skies like a dancing butterfly. You will travel to a place where koalas you will see, and kangaroos and platypuses running wild and free. Then you'll leave them all behind as you flutter to the sky, looking for adventure, my little butterfly. Out across the oceans, watching whales as you pass by, with all the world beneath you, your dreams go flying high. Then floating over icebergs, where the icy cold winds blow, you'll see penguins as they huddle, finding shelter in the snow. And when you reach the desert, where warm winds blow the sand, there'll be a baby camel trotting out across the land. Over grasslands and full rivers, you'll be floating in your dream, while a family of hippos will be playing by a stream. Drifting over forests as swallows swoop so fast, a squirrel and a dormouse will watch as you glide past. Then, flitting one last time in the yellow setting sun, you'll hear the sound of songbirds as their lullaby is sung. There's some babies. You will see so many things, and you will realize why. Like you, this world is precious, my little butterfly. Our world is full of wonder, and your journey's just begun. All you see around you is there for everyone. And now it's time to sleep. But remember, if you try, anything can happen if your dreams take off and fly. That's the end of this book. Here's some pictures from inside the book. But look what I just noticed. All of these stuffed animals that he has in his room, I think he saw these animals in his dreams. The hippo, the squirrel, the zebra, the penguin. Look at the teddy peeking out. Might be worth looking at this one more time to see if you see all those animals. Oh, and that's a kangaroo. Look, he's got a baby in his pouch. I hope you love that book. Might be a good book to read before you go to bed. We'll see you guys soon. Activities will be coming to moms and dads on Wednesdays, and then Thursday we have a Zoom. Can't wait to see you then. Bye.